Cinnamon tea is a remarkable beverage that may offer several health benefits. It's made from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree, which curls into rolls while drying, forming the recognizable cinnamon sticks. These sticks are either steeped in boiling water, or grounded into a powder that may be used to make the tea. Cinnamon tea is jam-packed with beneficial compounds that may offer various health benefits. These include aiding weight loss, improving heart health, alleviating menstrual cramps, and reducing inflammation and blood glucose levels. Let us stop here for a minute. The big question is, what are the health benefits of cinnamon? That's exactly what I am going to show you. But before we continue, please subscribe to watch more great videos. Further, there is a link in the description to a cool article about cinnamon. Remember to click the link to read the article. With that being said, here are 12 science-based health benefits of cinnamon tea. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon tea contains many antioxidants, which are beneficial compounds that help keep you healthy. Antioxidants fight oxidation caused by free radicals, which are molecules that damage your cells and contribute to diseases like diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Cinnamon is especially rich in polyphenol antioxidants. A study comparing the antioxidant activity of 26 spices reported that cinnamon is barely outranked by cloves and oregano. In addition, research shows that cinnamon tea can increase total antioxidant capacity (TAC), which may be a measure of the quantity of free radicals your body can fight. Summary: cinnamon is one among spices richest in antioxidants. Cinnamon tea may increase your body's ability to fight off free radicals, keeping you healthy and protecting you from disease. 2. Lowers inflammation and may improve heart health. Test tube studies suggest that compounds in cinnamon may reduce markers of inflammation. This could be immensely beneficial, as long as inflammation is believed to be at the root of the many chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease. Studies also report that cinnamon may reduce blood pressure, triglycerides and LDL, bad cholesterol levels in some individuals. What's more, cinnamon may increase levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which helps improve your heart health by removing excess cholesterol from your blood vessels. A review of 10 studies found that consuming as little as 120 milligrams of cinnamon, less than a 1/10 teaspoon daily, could also be sufficient to assist you reap these benefits. Cassia cinnamon, specifically, contains high amounts of natural coumarins, a bunch of compounds that helps prevent the narrowing of blood vessels and offers protection against blood clots. However, excess intake of coumarins may reduce liver function and increase the danger of bleeding, so make certain you consume cinnamon in moderation. Summary: cinnamon contains heart-healthy compounds which could decrease inflammation and lift levels of HDL, good cholesterol. It should also reduce your blood pressure, triglycerides and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 3. May help reduce blood glucose. Cinnamon may provide powerful anti-diabetic effects by lowering blood glucose levels. This spice appears to behave in a manner almost like that of insulin, the hormone responsible for shuttling sugar out of your bloodstream and into your tissues. What's more, compounds found in cinnamon may further contribute to lower blood glucose levels by lowering insulin resistance, thereby increasing insulin's effectiveness. Cinnamon can also help slow the breakdown of carbs in your gut, preventing your blood glucose levels from spiking after meals. Most studies observed benefits when people took concentrated doses starting from 120 milligrams to 6 grams of powdered cinnamon. However, there's evidence that cinnamon tea can also offer blood sugar-reducing benefits. Summary: cinnamon may help reduce your blood glucose levels and insulin resistance, thereby increasing insulin's effectiveness. These effects may offer protection against type 2 diabetes. 4. May promote weight loss. Cinnamon tea is commonly touted to assist with weight loss, and several other studies have linked cinnamon intake to fat loss or reductions in waist circumference. However, few of those studies have properly controlled for calorie intake, and most did not distinguish between fat loss and muscle loss. This makes it difficult to attribute the weight loss effects to cinnamon alone. The only study that controlled for these factors reported that participants lost 0.7% of fat mass and gained 1.1% of muscle mass after they took the equivalent of 5 teaspoons 10 grams of cinnamon powder per day for 12 weeks. However, such large amounts of cinnamon may contain dangerously high amounts of coumarin. When consumed in excess, this natural compound may increase the chance of bleeding and cause or worsen liver disease. This is very true for cassia cinnamon, which contains up to 63 times more coumarin than Ceylon cinnamon. More research is required to substantiate whether any weight loss benefits occur at lower dosages, like those found in cinnamon tea. Summary: drinking large amounts of cinnamon tea may assist you lose body fat, but this beverage could contain dangerously high levels of coumarin. More research is required to establish whether lower dosages also provide weight loss benefits. 5. Fights off bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon has some potent antibacterial and antifungal properties. For instance, test tube research shows that cinnamaldehyde, the most active component in cinnamon, prevents the growth of many types of bacteria, fungi, and molds. These include common Staphylococcus, Salmonella, and E. coli bacteria, which may cause illness in humans. In addition, cinnamon's antibacterial effects may help reduce bad breath and stop cavity. However, more research in humans is required before strong conclusions are made. Summary: compounds found in cinnamon tea may help fight back bacteria, fungi, and mold. They can also help freshen your breath, reduce the formation of cavity. 6. May reduce menstrual cramps and other PMS symptoms. Cinnamon tea may help make some menstrual symptoms, like PMS and dysmenorrhea, more bearable. One well-controlled study provided women with 3 grams of cinnamon or a placebo daily for the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. The ladies in the cinnamon group experienced significantly less menstrual pain than those given the placebo. In another study, women got 1.5 grams of cinnamon, a pain-relieving drug, or a placebo within the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. The women in the cinnamon group reported less menstrual pain than those given the placebo. However, the cinnamon treatment wasn't as effective for pain relief as the pain-relieving drugs. There's also evidence that cinnamon may reduce menstrual bleeding, vomiting frequency, and nausea severity during women's periods. Summary: cinnamon tea may help alleviate painful menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. It can also help reduce menstrual bleeding, as well as nausea and vomiting during menstruation. Other potential benefits: cinnamon tea is touted to give several additional benefits, including may fight skin aging. Studies show that cinnamon may promote collagen formation and increase skin elasticity and hydration, all of which may reduce the appearance of aging. May have anti-cancer properties. Test tube research has observed that cinnamon extracts may help kill certain kinds of cancer cells, including skin cancer cells. May help preserve brain function. Test tube and animal research suggests that cinnamon may protect brain cells from Alzheimer's disease and improve motor function in those with Parkinson's disease. May help fight HIV. Test tube studies report that cinnamon extracts may help fight the most common strain of the HIV virus in humans. May reduce acne. Test tube research suggests that cinnamon extracts can fight bacteria that cause acne. Although this research on cinnamon is promising, there's currently no evidence that drinking cinnamon tea will provide these benefits. More research is required before strong conclusions are made. Summary: cinnamon may offer several additional benefits, including helping reduce skin aging and protecting against HIV, cancer, acne, and Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. However, more research is required. 12. Easy to add to your diet. Cinnamon tea is incredibly easy to prepare and incorporate into your diet. You can drink it warm, or cool it to create homemade iced tea. The easiest way to make this beverage is to just add 1 teaspoon (2.6 grams) of ground cinnamon to 1 cup (235 milliliters) of boiled water and stir. You can also make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, cinnamon tea bags may be found online or at your local supermarket or health food store. They're a convenient option when you're short on time. Cinnamon tea is of course caffeine-free, so it can be enjoyed anytime throughout the day. However, if you're specifically fascinated by its blood sugar-lowering effects, it may be best to consume it along with your meals. If you're currently taking blood sugar-lowering medication, it's best to consult your healthcare provider before adding cinnamon tea to your routine. Summary: cinnamon tea is incredibly easy to make. It is often enjoyed as a warm or cold beverage. The bottom line: cinnamon tea is a powerful beverage. It's loaded with antioxidants and offers several health benefits, including reduced inflammation and blood sugar levels, improved heart health, and maybe even weight loss. Cinnamon tea can also fight off infections and reduce PMS and menstrual cramps. Whether you enjoy cinnamon tea warm or cold, it's definitely a beverage worth trying. Thank you for watching. But before you go, if you would like to try out cinnamon, please click the link in the description below. It is a unique link to an article that explains more about cinnamon. I hope you will click the link below and check it out for yourself. There are also other links in the description with cinnamon products you can try out. Thanks again and please subscribe.